Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to my channel. My name is Steph. Today I'm coming to you guys with a one brand wash and go. Okay, so this is a product that I usually use for like dry styles, like your Bantu knot outs or a stretch twist out. It doesn't really have a lot of water in it. It's more of a cream based product. So today I'm going to try that as the product that I use on my wash and go. All right, before we get into it, y'all, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and let's get into it. Okay, so right now I am starting off with freshly washed hair. Washed it yesterday, well, co-washed it. I just did some twist. So yeah, I'm gonna get right into it. The product that I'm using is this here. Almond J Twisting Butter. It's thebomb.com. I have been using it, so it's, I ain't gonna say it's not that much. It's quite a bit. It's quite a bit in there. Yeah, it's quite a bit. Smells lovely. Usually I use the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk plus the Curl Maker. But today, I just want to do a one product wash and go, see how it works. I'm sure this probably will be bomb on a wash and go. My prediction is it's probably going to be a little bit more crunchier than the jelly that I usually use on wash and go, but we'll see. I was going to do a, what is it, the no product wash and go, which a lot of people have been doing, but my hair is so crazy, I'm still thinking about it. I don't know if I want to do that. But yeah, I just added this in. Since I don't like my hair too defined anyway, I'm not gonna say I don't like it defined. I do, but whenever I have defined styles, it just looks flatter. So, learning to accept the frizz that I have, because it does give me volume. I'm gonna spray my ends a little bit more. All right, so that's that. Next, I'm just taking this here. Not really even sure how much to use. I'm gonna start off with this first. Now I am smoothing it in because my hair does tend to frizz very easily. So try to lay the cuticles down. So this is how it looks in the back. I would say it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Smells good too. Feels very soft, but that's of course right now. I don't know how it's gonna dry. We're gonna see. So that was that twist. I'm gonna move on to my next twist. So far it looks pretty good. Looks well moisturized. Now the clumpage, I mean it's clumping a little bit, but it's not doing a whole bunch. But again, I'm not even worried about that. I just want my hair to be moisturized, because when your hair is moisturized, your curls tend to act right. All right, so far so good. It's not really, I don't feel like a hard cast, but of course I don't, because it, you know, it's still wet. But I'm going to be back. I'm going to go ahead and not complete it, but at least get to the front, because you probably can't see the back like, you know, like you should. But yeah, so far so good. Looks like it's going to be more fluffier than when I do the curl maker and stuff, which is cool. right, guys, so I am back. It is now fully dry, as you see, very shrunken. But I must say, y'all, first off, it dried in half the time. Okay, definitely dried in half the time that it usually takes when I put on like some type of jelly substance. So that's a plus. And another plus is my hair is super soft. I mean, you can definitely tell it's being held because the cream does have some kind of holding agent in it. It's very soft. And this is, I haven't done anything. So at this point, y'all, I'm going to I just want to come on here and show y'all. Inside's probably maybe a little tangent bit of wet, but it's been about, 9 a.m. It's like 3 something now, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3. About 6 hours, really. And usually it takes me a good 24 to 48 hours to dry. But it didn't this time. It definitely dried in half the time, under half the time. So yeah, at this point I'm just gonna band it. And just in case y'all haven't seen how I band it, I'm going to do it on camera. See, it's a little wet right there, but not really wet, it's just like damp.